Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Lidka, your Caribbean vegan, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all the foods I eat in a day. These days I am chasing around my 6-month-old, so I try to make sure that my meals don't take up too much time and they give me enough energy, but of course they're nutritious and delicious as always. So without further ado, let's get into it. First up is water. I do not start my day without drinking a mason jar filled with water because let me tell you guys, if there's nothing more you take from this channel, drinking water first thing on an empty stomach is life-changing. So I highly recommend. Those who follow me know that I drink this religiously every morning. I start my day off with water. Then we can get into breakfast. Okay, I'm starting off my day with a sweet potato smoothie. First up, I'm going to take 1 banana, a few handfuls of spinach, some walnuts, as much as you would like, and pitted dates. I'm going to also add in my favorite collagen powder. You guys know every time I make a smoothie, I use this collagen powder. It's really the only protein powder that I use. I'm going to add in almond milk. And of course, the sweet potato. I have leftover sweet potatoes in our house, and so I'm going to try and use them up as much as possible. This smoothie is vitamin rich. It is nutrient dense. It's filled with fiber, and it really does keep you full for hours, honestly. I absolutely enjoy this because it's like a liquid dessert. So it's the best way for me to start my morning. Okay, it's snack time. Now, I like to take the time once a week to prepare something that will last us for the week, something that we can take to work, or when we're home, we can just, quickly grab and enjoy. So today we are making potato and peas samosas with a twist. We're not really gonna make them in the shape of samosas. My toddler and his toys. We're not really gonna make them in the shape of samosas. We're gonna make them more like pastry puffs, but nonetheless, they're gonna have the same kind of delicious filling, and I'm really excited because they always turn out good. Okay, I'm starting off with a little bit of cooking oil. Then I'm gonna take some potatoes. I cut them into small cubes. I'm going to then add about a 1/4 cup of water to ensure that the potatoes cook uniformly. After my potatoes are cooked, I'm going to add in some green peas. Next up, my favorite, garlic paste. You always need garlic paste in your house. I'm going to also add in chopped onions and some cumin, followed by coriander. Adding in some chili seasoning and turmeric. Also black pepper and salt, as always. Onion powder is an essential. And lastly, I'm going to add in some cilantro. Make sure this is cooked properly, and that's it. There's your filling. Now I'm taking this Just Roll puff pastry sheet that's gluten-free, and I'm going to cut it into about 8 rectangles. Using a teaspoon, I'm going to add my filling. Please make sure you don't add too much filling to each rectangle because this could cause you problems when you fold them. Now I'm taking a little bit of water and I'm going to put that around the edges. This sort of acts like the glue that's going to hold the pastry together once it's folded. To finish up, just grab a fork and make cute little lines around the edge of each pastry. Again, this is going to make sure that the pastry stays intact while baking. Go ahead and put your pastry into the oven. And let me tell you, we really enjoyed these. I had 2 that day, and uh, I could have eaten more than that. But again, these are just snacks, and I made these specifically to make sure that we had snacks to carry the next day and the day after for work, because these are so easy and convenient to just throw into your purse or your briefcase and have them around bake time. Okay, it's lunchtime and we are going to make eggplant meatballs, which I absolutely love. Okay, take your eggplant and skim off the skin. Then cut it into small cubes. Here I am dicing it diagonally, and then I'm gonna dice it vertically. Now we're going to add in some olive oil, our garlic paste. I tell you, we love this garlic paste, and onion, scallion. Get that all nice and mixed up. Add in your bell peppers and then your eggplant. Okay, for the seasoning, I am adding in Maggi cube, seasoned salt, Szechuan seasoning, a little bit of black pepper, cumin, and parsley. I'm gonna get that all nice and mixed up. Now, once I've let that cool, I'm gonna go ahead and add in flaxseed. Obviously, I'm a vegan, so I don't eat egg. If you do eat egg, you could go ahead and add in 1 egg. This is to bind it, but you don't need egg. The flaxseed holds it perfectly together. I'm also adding in some gluten-free breadcrumbs and a little bit of all-purpose gluten-free flour. I mix everything up together, and then I'm gonna form small balls. It's a little sticky, so then I'm going to take some of the leftover breadcrumbs and just coat it while I'm still forming the balls. So form balls, add a little bit of breadcrumbs, reform the balls, and then put them into your air fryer. Y'all, it couldn't get any easier than this, honestly. And it's so worth it because they're absolutely delicious. I boiled gluten-free spaghetti, and that's what I ate my eggplant balls with. Some spaghetti and spaghetti sauce, you guys. Don't take my word for it. Honestly, the texture is just perfect. It's nice and crispy on the outside, soft and succulent on the inside. Oh my goodness. It was just an amazing meal, and you really have to give this one a try. Okay, that's it, you guys. A whole day's worth of vegan meals. If you didn't know, I practice intermittent fasting, which means for me, I stop eating after 2 p.m. That's my cutoff. I did a whole video on this on Instagram, so definitely check that out if you're interested and you want to know more. The health benefits, how long I've been doing it, how I practice it, everything like that. It's on there. Lidka Elena is my Instagram account. And I'll just spend the rest of the day drinking water and possibly 1 or 2 glasses of tea, unwind, and call it that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Definitely subscribe to my channel. I will be showing weekly what I eat in a day videos along with lifestyle vlogs, and eventually what my toddler eats in a day as well. And he's also vegan, so it's going to be interesting to show what we both eat during the day. So again, definitely subscribe to my channel if you're interested in those type of videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.